Do you ever wonder why some people always seem to have control over their money, while others are stressed every single month, no matter how much they earn? The difference isn't luck, it's about understanding personal finance. In this video, I'll explain what personal finance really means, why it's so important, and how you can take the first steps to manage your money smarter. Personal finance is simply how you manage your money. It's the decisions you make about earning, saving, spending, investing, and protecting your money. Think of it as your own financial roadmap. Just like Google Maps guides you to your destination, personal finance guides you toward your goals. Whether that's buying a home, traveling the world, or retiring comfortably. Without this roadmap, it's easy to get lost. Here's the thing. You may be earning money every month, but if you don't manage it wisely, it can slip away faster than you think. Let me give you some scenarios. If you don't budget your expenses, you might overspend on wants instead of needs. If you don't save, you'll feel helpless when emergencies come up, like a medical bill, a car repair, or even losing a job. If you don't invest, your money actually loses value over time because of inflation. What costs $100 today might cost $110 in just a few years. Personal finance is what helps you avoid these traps. It makes sure your money isn't controlling you, you're controlling your money. Now, let's break it down into the 5 pillars of personal finance. These are the building blocks of financial health. 1. Earning. This is the starting point. It includes your salary, business income, or side hustles. The more you grow your income, the more opportunities you'll have to build wealth. 2. Spending. It's not just about earning more, it's about keeping what you earn. Spending wisely means knowing the difference between needs and wants, avoiding wasteful expenses, and making your money stretch further. 3. Saving. This is your safety net. Savings help you prepare for short-term needs like emergencies, vacations, or big purchases. A common rule is to keep at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved. 4. Investing. Saving protects your money, but investing grows it. This means putting money into assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or even real estate so your wealth increases over time. 5. Protecting. Life is unpredictable. Insurance, retirement planning, and an emergency fund protect you and your family from financial shocks, so you don't lose everything you built. When these 5 pillars are balanced, you're in control. Let's make this practical. Imagine you earn $1,000 a month. Without a plan, you might spend it all on rent, bills, shopping, and eating out. Then, when an emergency comes up, you're stuck. But if you apply personal finance, you could say, I'll save $200 for emergencies, I'll invest $100 for my future, I'll budget $700 for expenses like rent, food, and entertainment. Now you're not only covering your needs, but you're also securing your future. And here's the best part. You still get to enjoy life without guilt, because you're making conscious choices with your money. So, personal finance isn't about being rich or having millions in the bank. It's about being smart and intentional with the money you already have. It's about creating freedom, freedom from stress, freedom from debt, and freedom to live life on your own terms. And this is just the beginning. In the upcoming videos, we'll go step by step into the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and building long-term financial security. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss the journey to financial freedom. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Thank you for watching.